In this video I'm going to go over printing from the map of JCLR2. I've got a JCLR2 open here. I've already logged in. I'm going to click on my map tab just to go over to it. I'm going to zoom to an area, draw some features here. In this case I've got parcels on, so I want to look at floodplains as well. And maybe zoom in one more time. And say now I need to print this map. I can use the print button up here, and this will open a new window with my map feature in there. Some printing tips are over here on the top left. I'm going to close that. The one sticky point about printing from JCLR2 is that when different map layers come in, they each have different transparencies, and when you go to print, the print drivers don't honor that transparency, and it prints the top layer as opaque and covers all the other layers underneath. So in this case I've got a layer of Google Streets underneath, I've got a layer of parcels, and I've got a layer of flood zones on top. So what I'm going to do, the trick here is to use just the print screen button and then paste that image into Paint utility. So to do that I can use Control Print Screen, and the print screen is the top, usually in the upper right of your keyboard here. So Control Print Screen copies my desktop here, everything I see, to the clipboard, and then I can come down and I can start MS Paint from usually under your accessories and Paint. And then what I can do is just click the paste button, and that's going to paste that entire image from my clipboard into MS Paint. You can see I got a whole bunch of extra stuff around the edges, but what I can do is clip that out. So let me center what I want to print here. So the map is what I'm after. So click Select, and then just drag a box around your map, like so, and then crop. What that's going to do is clip down or crop out all the extra image that I don't want there on that desktop image. So you can see that's all gone. Now from here I could do a print, and we can just preview it here, and obviously when we do a print preview you're going to see this in landscape format of exactly what you're going to get out of your printer. However, the nice thing about taking this over to Paint is that I can also add individual annotation if I want to. I can add a text box on top of the map, and I can also use some of the drawing tools here if I want to add, say, an arrow or some kind of graphic. I can do this. You can start to fill in features. If you're interested in specific areas, you can actually fill certain areas, and you can do quite a bit of graphic editing on top of the map. And again, you print this, all this will show up on the print when you go to print it, because you're just editing the image. The other thing I can do is on my legend over here, if there's things about my legend that I want to correct or change, don't want to see, say I don't want to see these two features in here, I can again do the same thing, select and just hit delete, and it will remove those from the legend. And I can take my legend here. Sometimes when you have a lot of features on, your legend is too large. You can clip out features, slide those up, move them around, things like that. So there's quite a bit of features that by taking this to Paint that allows you to do that. So again, come over to the print button then and do a print preview, and you can see this is what you would get out of your printer.